What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, one of us from my community contacted me saying that he has just 50,000 naira as his capital, and I should do a breakdown on how you can actually use that money to make profit on a daily basis as a Bybit P2P trader. Okay, so guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how he can actually do that, and how you as well, who has that same amount of money, which is 50,000 naira, can actually, start making profit as a Bybit P2P merchant each and every single day. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video completely so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are back on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So like I would always say, guys, before you can actually start trading right here on Bybit, before you can actually become a merchant right here, you first of all need to have a registered and verified Bybit account. Okay, so that is it. So the sign up link to Bybit is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so you can actually join my community so you always get updated on the latest make money online update, guys. Okay, so with that being said, guys, the basic question right now is how can you use 50,000 naira to actually make profit as a Bybit P2P merchant right here on Bybit? So guys, it's quite easy. Okay, so the very first step right now is hitting on your P2P trading section over here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on mine right now. So it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Okay, guys, so here we are. All right, so as you can see, guys, over here says buy and over here says sell. Okay, so people right here on the buy section are actually selling USDT, while persons right here on the sell section are actually buying USDT. So I hope you understand. So I'm going to hit on buy right now, guys. Okay, then over here that says amount, I'm going to hit on it so I can actually filter my trade, guys. I'm going to type in, let's see, 20,000. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. All right. Okay, so as you can see right here on the buy side, which is the sell side, okay, a lot of merchants right here are actually, selling USDT at the sum of 1,392.50. Some are selling for 1,392.49. Okay, so guys, make sure you take note of this price right here, which is 1,392.50. all right, and over here on the sell side, if I actually hit on the sell side right now and I hit on amount and I type in 20,000 naira, okay, hit on confirm, it's going to load up, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, traders are currently buying USDT, which is the sell side. They're actually buying for the sum of 1,377.10 naira. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now, so I actually calculate the profit behind the buy, which is 1,392.50 from 1,377.10. okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my calculator right now. So I'm going to type in 1,392.50 minus 1,377.10. So that gives us a profit of 15.4 naira. Okay, so guys, like I always say, this money right here is actually a huge money if you are using a good capital. Okay, but let's actually try this with 50,000 naira, so we'll see exactly how much you can make per one cycle before we actually multiply across different cycles. Okay, so that is it, guys. So keep in mind that our profit right here is 15.4 naira on today's spread, guys. Okay, so what are we to do right now? So I'm going to erase this stuff right here. I'm going to erase, guys. Okay, so I'm going to type in our capital, which is 50,000 naira, guys. Okay, so I'm going to type in 50,000. Okay, so we're going to divide by our buying price, which is 1,377.10. all right, so that is it. So as you can see right here, guys, the amount we'll be getting is 36.3 USDT. So this is the amount of USDT we'll be getting after we're done buying 50,000 naira worth of USDT. Okay, so this is the amount right here, 36.3 USDT. So make sure you take note of that, guys. Okay, so right now we're going to multiply our buying price with our selling price. Okay, so we're going to multiply right now. So I'm going to equal this and just multiply by our selling price of 1,392.50. okay, so that gives us a total sum of 50,559 naira. Okay, so before I proceed right now, guys, if you are finding value from this video right now, please don't hesitate to leave this video a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, please make sure you actually subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this, guys. Okay, and mind you, guys, I actually have a class where I hold you by the hand and show you exactly how you can consistently make money right here as a Bybit P2P merchant each and every single day. Okay, so if you actually want to be a part of my class, guys, I'm going to be leaving the payment link down below this video description, and also it's going to be on the pinned comment down below the comment section. Okay, So mind you guys, it's currently a lifetime access to the first set of persons who would be purchasing that course. Okay, and it's currently very cheap. All right, so that is it. So guys, the next step right now is we're going to minus the Bybit fee of 0.3% from our initial profit and capital right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to equal this right now and just type in percentage 0.3. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the total amount of money that Bybit will be collecting from us, 151. Okay, so let's just say it's 152 naira. Okay, so just make sure to have this in mind, guys. All right, so right now, guys, we're going to subtract the Bybit fee of 152 naira from our initial profit and capital right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to erase this and just minus 152. Okay, so that gives us 50,407 naira after Bybit fee has been deducted, guys. Okay, so right now I'm going to equals this right now and just subtract from 50,000 naira, which is our original capital we actually started with. Okay, so 50,000. All right, so guys, as you can see right here, this is going to be our profit per one cycle. All right, now if we are to multiply this amount right here across 10 cycles, let's see how much we'll be making per day. Okay, so times 10. Okay, so this actually gives us 4,071 naira. And I hope you know that 10 cycles equals 20 trades. Okay, 20 trades of buy and sell. So that is basically what 10 cycle is. All right, so basically, guys, you'll be making 4,000 naira with just 50,000 naira as your capital each and every single day. Okay, so this is actually amazing, guys. All right, and mind you, guys, sometimes it could be higher than this or even lower than this a bit. Okay, it all depends on the spread for the market on that very day. Okay, so let's actually equal this right now and just multiply by 7 days. Okay, so by 7 days we'll be getting 28,500. Okay, then for 1 month, which is 4 weeks, okay, times 4, so this gives us 114,000 naira on a monthly basis with just 50,000 naira. Okay, so this is actually amazing, guys. All right, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. If you actually want to learn how you can create ads on Bybit and sell just like a merchant right there, I'm going to be leaving a link to a video at the top right corner of my screen right now. That video is going to be showing you exactly how you can create ads in order to start trading as a merchant right there on Bybit, guys. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified. And then I'm going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away. Okay, so guys, thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.